The notion that vaccines are used by a satanic New World Order to oppress Christians is a baseless conspiracy theory that has been circulating online and within certain communities. This ideology is rooted in misinformation, misconceptions, and a lack of understanding about the purpose and function of vaccines. Vaccines are biological preparations that provide active acquired immunity to a particular infectious disease. They have been extensively tested, proven, and widely used for decades to prevent the spread of diseases, protect public health, and save countless lives. However, certain groups have begun to spread false information, claiming that vaccines are part of a larger agenda to control or harm the population, particularly Christians. One of the primary arguments presented by proponents of this conspiracy theory is that vaccines contain harmful ingredients, such as mercury, formaldehyde, or aborted fetal cells, which are allegedly used to poison or corrupt the population. However, these claims are largely exaggerated or taken out of context. For instance, while it is true that some vaccines have contained trace amounts of mercury or formaldehyde in the past, these ingredients are present in extremely small quantities and have been proven to be safe. Furthermore, the claim that vaccines contain aborted fetal cells is often based on a misunderstanding of the vaccine development process. Certain vaccines, such as those for measles, mumps, and rubella, are grown in cell cultures that were originally derived from aborted fetuses. However, these cell lines are being replicated and maintained for decades, and no new fetal tissue is used in the production of these vaccines. Additionally, many vaccines do not contain any fetal cells or byproducts whatsoever. Another argument presented by those who believe in this conspiracy theory is that vaccines are used to implant microchips, track individuals, or control their minds. These claims are entirely unfounded and have been thoroughly debunked by experts. Vaccines are simply a combination of antigens, adjuvants, and preservatives that stimulate the immune system to produce a specific response. They do not contain any microchips, tracking devices, or mind control agents. It is also worth noting that the idea of a satanic New World Order is a vague and amorphous concept that has been used to describe a wide range of perceived threats or enemies. This phrase is often employed as a catch-all term to describe anyone or anything that is seen as opposing Christian values or interests. However, there is no credible evidence to suggest that any organization, government, or group is using vaccines as part of a coordinated effort to oppress Christians. In reality, vaccines have been widely accepted and used by people of all faiths and backgrounds to protect themselves and their communities from infectious diseases. The World Health Organization, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, and other reputable health organizations have consistently emphasized the safety and efficacy of vaccines in preventing disease and promoting public health. Ultimately, the claim that vaccines are used by a satanic New World Order to oppress Christians is a dangerous and misguided ideology that has the potential to cause harm to individuals and communities. By spreading false information and fostering mistrust of vaccines, proponents of this conspiracy theory are putting people's lives at risk and undermining the efforts of healthcare professionals and public health organizations to promote health and well-being. It is essential to rely on credible sources of information, consult with medical professionals, and make informed decisions about vaccination and healthcare.